So I got this is kind of a neutral color felt from Hobby Lobby. I have the pattern here that I had used. So I'm gonna trace this, but I'm gonna cut it larger. Okay, we are going to cut some felt for this beautiful piece to line the back. I'm gonna kind of steam it, iron it, and then I'm gonna cut a piece for the back of this. Now, I have the pattern here that I had used, so I'm gonna trace this, but I'm gonna cut it larger for the back, and then I can always cut it and trim it, which I will do. So let me go cut that, and then I'll show you what we'll do on the back to finish this beautiful piece. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we are. We have it on the back. We got cords coming out from here, 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 and here. We're not gonna work on those yet. Now this is gonna come over like this on both sides, but I'm gonna add a few cords here just to give it a little fuller look on the side. So I just have cord like this. Just so it's not totally flat when I fold it over. I can get my glue open. And let's put another one there too. That's better. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this painting down. Got stuck here. Okay. Now we have these cords sticking out. So I'm going to cut it shorter. Glue it. Not up here, but down here below those knots. here. This one up here. This will be going under the felt. Okay, now I'll do the other side. Some more cord here. So on this side, excuse me, I'm going to add a little fullness. Now I have my felt, then it's gonna go like this. Now I think I need to iron this just a little bit more, and then we will also cut it a little bit shorter on the sides here. But up here, I'm not gonna go all the way up here, a little bit, just right below these set of knots, like that. So let me iron this a little bit more. Well, when I came back after ironing this, I forgot to press the record button. So basically what I did, I just glued it down. Screw it. Now this, I could have cut this longer to kind of come around here, but I kind of like seeing that on the back. So this is just glued down. And I started doing this side first. Then I did this and up just a little bit. Then I went back and I did this to about here, worked my way up and over. And then here is I just glued on my leather name tag. I'm sorry you didn't get to see that process, but it's pretty straightforward. I just glued it on. Like I said again, I love using this glue, but it does get on your fingers. Your fingers are gonna have to wash real well. Because I believe hot glue, I don't trust it. I think it might come off. And if it's just like you're gonna have it on your wall, you can always re-glue it if you're using hot glue. But if you plan on selling these, you don't want it coming off. And I think to sew up here and here, that would just be, I don't know, for me, that's too time consuming, and this works just beautifully. Now if you want, I have in the past, but not on all of mine, you take a cord and just glue it along that line, you know, like that all the way, and then across here too, but I decided not to do it on this one. Okay, so the only thing left for us to do is to give a final cut. Okay, see you then.